Let's move on to news from Delhi in India, wherein some latest updates on the investigation on the Delhi car blast. A Delhi court has now extended the custody of Jasir Bilal Wani, a key accused in the Red Fort blast case, to 7 more days. Wani, who was arrested by the National Investigation Agency on November 17 in Srinagar, is accused of providing technical support for terror activities, including modifying drones and attempting to develop rockets ahead of the November 10 blast. Now, the explosion, which took place near Red Fort metro station, killed at least 15 people and injured 20. In a related development, the NIA has also arrested Soyab, a Faridabad resident, for allegedly helping Dr. Mohammed Umar, the man behind the car bomb. Soyab, a lab assistant at Al Falah University, is accused of assisting in the procurement of chemicals used in the attack. Now, the blast, deemed a terror incident by the Indian government, has prompted urgent investigation to bring the perpetrators and their associates to justice. And we now want to welcome retired Lieutenant General Raj Shukla, who is a former army commander, into the story. But before he joins us, let's tell you viewers, this is a big breakthrough in the investigation in the Delhi blast case, as more and more skeletons now open. In the latest, person accused of helping the main mastermind has been held, and NIA is seeking further custody of the accused. All right, as we try to establish the connection with our guest viewers, let's tell you that Indian investigation agencies are taking further steps to get more custody of Wani, who's been arrested on November 17 in Srinagar, and in fact he is the man that is suspected to be providing technical support for these terror activities, and in fact uses of drones and attempting to develop rockets are also some of the activities that have been suspected to be conducted by him. This explosion in India has killed 15 people and has drawn the attention of all the stakeholders involved with the Indian government, prompting to call it a terror attack, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi announcing that no one will be spared. In fact, in the related development, a Faridabad resident called Soyab was also arrested, and he was the one who was allegedly helping the mastermind, the suspected mastermind, Dr. Mohammed Umar. And now the lab assistant Soyab, who was working at the Al Falah University, is the latest one in custody, and in fact was allegedly procuring chemicals which were used in the attack. We are now joined in by retired Lieutenant General Raj Shukla, former army commander, live from New Delhi. I extend you a very warm welcome, retired Lieutenant General, and thank you for joining us here at NewsX World. Now, as more and more skeletons tumble open, do you think that this was a large nexus that had been under planning for a long time for such a terror attack to be carried out right in Red Fort? All right, I suspect there is some connection issue with our guest there, but viewers, that's a big update that we are bringing you as far as the Delhi blast case is concerned, and I believe we have been able to restore the connection with our guest, Lieutenant General retired Raj Shukla. Sir, am I audible to you?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, thank you for joining us. And now, with more arrests and NIA seeking fresh custody, an extension of custody of the accused, we're now seeing how a person who was helping Umar Nabi with these terror activities and providing technical support has been arrested. This is clearly unraveling a larger, well-planned, well-coordinated nexus of terrorists. How do you see the unfolding of this nexus?
इंटरनेट कनेक्शन है जो